In this video, I'm going to show you how to add songs to a playlist in your Apple Music. So very simply, go to your Apple Music, and there's two ways to do this. We can do it from the search bar if you search for the song, or it could be in your library already. So go ahead to the search bar at the bottom right-hand corner, and I already typed in what I wanted to look for. And what we can do is go to the three dots on the far right side of the song that you want to add. And you have some options here. You could add it to your library or just directly add it to a playlist. So I'm going to choose to add it to a playlist, and it's going to bring playlists that I already have in my Apple Music, and I'm just going to choose Disney songs there, and it automatically adds it to your playlist. So another way to do that is actually just going to your library, and you can go to all of your songs. If you have a song on there already that you want to add to a playlist, it's very easy to do. So I'm just going to pick a random song here, and it's the same process. So go to the three dots at the far right side, and what we can do here is just choose add to a playlist, and we can go ahead and add this to another playlist. So it's very simple to do. There's two ways to do it, and there you go. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.